Hey, everybody. We are going over lesson plans for Wednesday, September 15th. Okay. So the lesson is 916 lesson. Let's talk about ourselves. You know, as actors and actresses, we always want to talk about ourselves. So now's your opportunity. Okay. So instructions. You're going to work, if you're working with the teacher, please wait for her to work through the assignment. So periods 1 through 4 yesterday, you know how that worked. Okay. Now it's on the flip side. So now you guys, period 1 through 4. If you're working by yourself, please click on the Pear Deck link to the lesson so you can work through it yourself. I've added the Flipgrid link so you can join your class and put your recordings there. Please make sure to respond to some of your peers. Make it school appropriate. Okay, we need it like encouraging and saying, hey, you did a really great job. Oh, you like the color red. I like it too. Okay, we are all a community here. Okay, kind and encouraging. Okay. So yes, you're going to check out my Screencastify, which is what you're watching right now. Okay. So we've got our class periods right here. Join your own class. Don't be in anybody else's, y'all. Okay. So your Pear Deck is the one that says sign in Google accounts. You have your Flipgrid. So this is where you would join your class in case you have not already. And of course, the theater syllabus, it's due Friday. Okay. So this is what our lesson looks like today, week 1, day 3. Remember, up here on the right is audio. Each one has, well, almost all of them have audio. Some are not included because you can read, y'all. Okay. So we have audio here. Remember to breathe before you start class. Remember to write how you're feeling today. All right. Question. Is there anything you're finding difficult with online learning? Okay. This is where I really want to know your opinion. How are you feeling with it? Is there something maybe I'm not doing in class that you need? Please let me know. This is the time where I can adapt my lessons for you guys if I'm missing something. Okay. I will. Okay. Syllabus. Okay. Would you rather? Okay. Would you rather? Okay. This one's kind of cool because in class, if you're meeting with me, we're going over like 40 different, would you rathers. I have provided in the Flipgrid attached, you'll see it down here. See, would you rather Google slide? You have several of those. Okay. If you would like to do multiple recordings and add it in there, feel free to do that. But I want at least, I have in there exactly like in my example, you have to come up with at least 10 would you rather questions. You need to record those. So like, it would be like, would you rather go to McDonald's or Taco Bell? Well, I would rather go to McDonald's, let's say. That would be one example of those. Okay. When you're done recording, you are to answer some of your friends, respond to them. If you're like the first person no one has answered, then just come back in like an hour. Not a big deal. Or come back in 4 hours. Not a biggie, friends. Okay. So just make sure you respond appropriately. Okay. Or else we're just not going to do the fun stuff. We can do worksheets and stuff, and I don't want to do that. Then if you're in class, we're just going to discuss our vision boards if we have time and talk about those. Okay. And we're going to be breaking out into Google Meet. So if you see this tomorrow, do not fret. Okay. Don't freak out. What you can do is if you're not meeting with me, go back into the other 2 days of assignments and make sure you've done all the Flipgrids. Make sure you've read the syllabus. Make sure you're caught up. Okay. When you're done, you're just going to name 2 people in class who you had something in common with and what were those 2 in common things. It's a pretty easy, chill day because really in class, I'm trying to get you to talk to your friends. And also I'm wanting you to respond to your friends in the Flipgrid. So you're spending your time talking amongst your peers to get to know them. And yeah, that is it, my loves. I hope you have a rockin' day today. Watch out for the announcements. Auditions for the announcements are at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Google Meet code is Mix6 News. All right, friends, have a wonderful day. Bye.